Alright, so this is Mom's homemade potato salad. Right now we have the potatoes boiling.
We're boiling the potatoes, and I've already boiled the eggs. And we're going to take the potatoes out and let it cool in cold water.
Okay, so we have the eggs and potatoes in the water cooling down with some ice. Trying to speed things up a little bit. Okay, so we are peeling the potatoes. We already peeled the eggs. Alright, so it looks like the potatoes and also the eggs are nice and peeled, and they are ready to be cut and put together and put all the good old condiments in it.
And really you could use a cutting board, but I'm used to cutting things. So, but I would advise you to use a cutting board.
The cutting board that's under the bowl.
Yes, Katrina. You said that right.
So pretty much you do that with all the potatoes.
Yes.
And then you use that same kind of cutting with the eggs as well.
Yes.
Sweet. And this is the using the cutting board method. Cutting the potatoes. Nice, Mom.
Now we're going to use some mustard. This is Heinz, but you can use any kind of mustard you like. Yellow mustard. I'm going to put some of that in it as soon as it comes out. Just a dab, like that.
Okay. Okay.
Because you don't want it too mustardy. You're going to use some relish. This also is Heinz relish. And squeeze some of that in it. Oh, Lisa. Okay. And of course, if it's not enough relish, we'll put some more in it. Then you're going to use the mayo. This is Miracle Whip.
I like Miracle Whip better than mayo.
Me too. And you're going to put quite a bit of that in it, because you want to mix this very well. Okay. I think it might be enough.
So you're stirring in all the ingredients?
Yes, yes ma'am, I truly am. So you have your potatoes and your eggs in here, mustard, relish, and the Miracle Whip.
What are those 2 eggs for?
That's to put it on top of it, make it look a little bit more beautiful than what it is.
Cool. It looks like it got enough in there.
Yeah. Let's see. Now, Trina.
Yeah.
So, what you do after this, you smooth it over like this a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Here. And I need a knife. And all you can do is cut this. I do it like this.
Alright,
You're gonna
scratch
just
that.
cut this just like that in a little circle.
Mm-hmm.
And put this on top of your food.
It looks like a little decoration.
Yeah, that's exactly what it's like. And sometimes after I do this, sometimes I put a little paprika on it to make it look, you know, even more festive.
Well, we do have paprika.
I'm sure you do. Sometimes people put celery in their potato salad. And it tastes good too.
Mm-hmm. Gives it like a little crunch.
And some people use celery, some people use carrots. That also gives it a little crunch, as you call it.
All right, so there you have it. There is Mom's homemade potato salad, and it looks pretty darn good. Now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator. We'll put some foil on it or some Reynolds wrap on the top there, and put it in the refrigerator so it can get nice and chilled. So I am super excited. She came all the way out in the country to make this for me and for me to film it. So that I am very appreciative. Love you, Mom.
Love you.